sorry. Sige po. So, ayan, finally. Nagkita kami ni Che Ablong. Okay. So, ayan. Actually, yung ano ko nagtatanggalan na, kailangan ko na siya talagang ipaayos. Yung eyelash ba? Tingin mo kung gaano ang eye bag ko. Kasi, ayan, papunta kami sa ayan, naghanap kami ng pizza. That's what I told you earlier.
No, it ain't. You said downstairs.
No, I did not. Ayan, hinanap namin yung pizza. Kasi araw-araw chicken na yung kinakain namin. Malapit na kami magkapakpak. So, ayan na, pizza place. Dito ba? Okay. Aray ko? Oh, ano bang gusto mo? There. Sige, Coke, baby Coke. And Sprite.
See, every table in the Philippines.
I'm sorry. So, ayan. Let's eat, guys. Let's eat. Let's eat. After nito, guys, iinom kami mamaya. As we going to drink after that. Ayan. So, after here, bili kami ng alak. Alak. Sa baba. Escalator.
The other.
Here, oh. Here.
Oh my God.
Tamad. Tinatamad lang.
It's the same. You ride and you ain't having to walk.
So, ayan.
They just let dogs anywhere.
Yeah. Alam mo, ayan, namimiss ko yung ganyan, oh. Yung pouchsin. Yung kamay niyan. Sa susunod na lang. Diba busog na pero nag-iisip pa rin nakakain. Yan dapat yung nakakainan ko. Wala, hindi naman siya kumakain. Ay, bili tayo ng alak. I think that's the original, baby. That's original.
Yeah, that's original.
Okay. Paano nga nito? Kasi that kids is drinking this, right?
I don't know what.
Sige, dalawa. Yeah, that's soju.
I know that's soju, but I don't know what you're drinking. Different flavors. That's original shit right there.
Ah, this is the original. So, may flavor pala?
Yeah.
Ito, wala tong ano? Wala
This
tong...
one is local, sir. This one is imported.
So, this tastes strawberry, right?
Yeah.
Really? Wow. O sige, ito. Ito na lang.
Strawberry.
Or ito kaya, ito kaya. Ito, ano naman to?
Local po. Mas mura lang po siya dito sa imported.
Pero anong taste niya?
Grapefruit po, kagaya nito.
Ay, okay. Ay, isa niyan tsaka ano? Isa tsaka...
Grapefruit po, tapos strawberry.
Sige, sige, sige. Tara, be. How about tequila, baby?
No. Because you'll try to start drinking that shit.
Dapat nag-vlog. Ayan, pauwi na kami. Mag-inom kami. Mag-iinom. So, ayun, magta-taxi kami kasi wala kami sa sasakyan. Poor lang. Poor kami, poor. Kanina, actually, nag-grab kami kanina. Alam mo,
What are you doing with it?
I'm spending it. Why, you're not? Fine.
I'm used to Saudi Arabia, baby.
Ayan guys, ang traffic dito sa Pilipinas. Very traffic. At hindi ko yun na-miss. Yun yung hindi ko na-miss. Ang traffic dito. Bye.